Alright, so let's see, how can I go for a buy here just now, right? So if we look at direction at higher time frame, okay, even though price already come into engulfing sell zone, but there is no confirmation for us to sell. So of course we are trying to looking for buy lah at lower time frame. Okay, we are waiting for a retracement to for us go for buy. Right, so as you can see from here, price respect engulfing failure zone over here, but our main focus is on CMP, current market price. So if I go to lower time frame H1, I can see price forms along the way, it forms engulfing sell, isn't it? But see, price didn't want to respect the engulfing sell zone, failed to respect the zone, engulfing sell zone. But what happened is that price breakout. So breakout, pull back. Okay, if you want to entry here, no problem, you can straight entry over there. But if you prefer to have confirmations, you can go to lower time frame, which is M15, to wait for another engulfing buy over here. See, engulfing buy. So price pull back, buy. Okay, now see why price comes back down is because price make a rejection over engulfing sell zone here, right? So when price makes a rejection, okay, price will come back down, and price comes back down for a reason. Why? Because here we have another engulfing buy. Every breakout must have a pullback. That's why price pull back. Right? So full margin here. Very, very simple. Right? So if you want to have another setup, if you want to have another confirmation, you can go to M15 or M5. Alright? You have to switch between M15 and M5, because sometimes if you're waiting for an M15 engulf, sometimes it will be a bit late, you see, price never pull back. So sometimes you have to switch between M5 and M15. So if you go to M5, as you can see from here, price comes down. Okay, we see price pull back sideways. You see the structure, buy structure, engulfing buy, sideways, pull back, and then it forms another engulfing buy over here. See, price pull back, buy, alright, engulfing fail, price pull back, sideways, buy. See, very simple, isn't it? So if you're able to entry over here, right, somewhere around here maybe, okay, you have about 150 pips. Alright, so very simple. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.